Yeah, back again with the Festiva build. So I've now got some good mud tyres on her. All round, she's lifted up. Old radiator's out. Find these new lights. It'll be mounted up once I work out some sort of grill. Starting on a bull bar. That'll wrap around and eventually be slotted in a bit like that. Strengthens all the front up. New radiator coming. A few other bits and pieces are going to happen to it. We go for transmission cooler. Extra fan. New bonnet's coming. And she's slowly getting a bit more roady looking. Catch you next time.